On August 21st, 2008, a 1-year-old was dropped off at a home daycare owned and operated by Stephanie Spurgeon, a loving mother, caregiver, and Girl Scout leader. Later that day, the child's grandmother picked her up from daycare and noticed she was very sleepy. During the car ride, the child began to vomit and moan. When they arrived home, the child's mother called 911. At the hospital, lab results suggested she was very ill. Although a thorough investigation revealed no marks, bruises, or broken bones, Dr. Sally Smith diagnosed the child as having been physically abused. Unfortunately, the child passed away. Stephanie Spurgeon was charged with first-degree murder. At trial, doctors claimed that only physical abuse could have caused the child's death, that only Stephanie could have been responsible. Stephanie's lawyers presented evidence in her defense, but failed to address the most critical part of the case. Dr. Smith's claim that the child's injuries could only have been caused by abuse, and the child's utter lack of any external injury whatsoever was because the abuse consisted of repeated slamming onto a soft surface, like a mattress. Stephanie was found guilty of manslaughter and sentenced to 15 years in prison. Like so many other innocent people, faulty medical and forensic evidence caused Stephanie to be convicted of a crime she did not commit. Because inaccurate forensic science evidence was accepted as truth, Stephanie was wrongfully accused and convicted of homicide. Claims like those of Dr. Smith are considered expert and often treated as irrefutable. In fact, they are simply not accurate. Stephanie sought help with the post-conviction motion. The Innocence Project of Florida, the Exoneration Project, and the Center for Integrity in Forensic Sciences stepped in to support Stephanie on her exoneration journey. At a hearing in 2018, doctors explained that the child's blood tests had markedly abnormal results, indicating a metabolic disorder, and the child appeared to have suffered a stroke, not any trauma. Engineers explained that impact on a mattress would not cause the injuries Dr. Smith had claimed at trial. One witness told the court, "What happened to the child originated in her, inside of her. It didn't result from anything external." The trial court denied the motion, but on appeal, Stephanie's conviction was reversed. She was released on bond to her family. The state's attorney intends to re-prosecute her. Her legal team continues to work with Stephanie to prove her innocence. Clearly, we need to examine the way our legal system accepts forensic science evidence. Learn more by visiting sifsjustice.org.